Good morning students, welcome back to Shaba Group of Schools online class. In the previous class we have studied binomial theorem and the formula is x plus a whole power n equal to x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 a plus nc2 x power n minus 1 into a square plus etc. up to plus a power n, and one more formula x minus a. Listen here, x plus a. Now x minus a whole power n is equal to x power n minus nc1 x power n minus 1 a. The same term but sign only change. Okay. And then plus next one minus the last term is minus 1 power n a power n. Here a power n sign depend on the n. n என்னவோ அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி a power n sign change ஆகும். Listen carefully, our sign only, we have the sign alternatively, plus minus like that. Next you should read also these two formulas. 1 plus x whole power n equal to 1 plus nc1 x plus nc2 x square plus etc. plus x power n. Similarly 1 minus x whole power n is equal to 1 minus nc1 x plus nc2 x square minus etc. plus minus 1 power n into x power n. And listen first, let us continue the same exercise. 2.6 second sum, second subdivision, 999 power 5. So we have to rewrite this as the form of either x plus 1 whole power n or x minus a whole power n. So we write this as 1000 minus 1 whole power 5, that is x plus a whole power n type. So first write the formula, that is x minus a whole power n equal to x power n minus nc1 x power n minus 1 a plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a square minus etc. Plus minus 1 power n a power n. First write the assumptions. What are the assumptions? Here x is equal to, comparing these two, here x is equal to 1000 and a is equal to 1 and n is equal to 5. 5 means we have 6 terms in this expansion. Substituting here, that is 1000 minus 1 whole power 5 is equal to first x power n, 1000 power 5 minus 5c1 1000 power 4, okay, into 1, that is a. Next plus, we have the sign alternately. Listen, first plus, next minus, plus 5c2 1000 power 3 into 1 square and minus 5c3 1000 square 1 cube plus 5c4 1000 power 1 into 1 power 4. The last term is 1 power 5. First to write the coefficients, make the Pascal triangle, that is 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1. We have 5, say n is equal to 5. So up to 5 we have to write 1 5, this is 10, this is 10, 5 1. So our coefficients are 1 5 10 10 5 1. So 1000 power 5 becomes 5 3s are 15, zeros will come, 3 6 9 12 15. Next one, next coefficient is what? 5. 5c1 is 5. So minus 5 into, listen, 5 into 1000 power 4, that is 4 3s are 12, zeros will come, 6 9 12. Next 5c2, 5c2 is 10. Here also write plus 10 into, listen, 1000 power 3, that is 90 into 1, so leave it. And the next one is 5c3 is minus 10 into 60 into 1 plus 5c4, 5c4 is 5, that is plus 5 into 1000 into 1 plus 1. Now multiplying we get This is, first collect all the positive numbers. Here one positive and third term and the fifth term. First collect all the positives. 15 zeros minus 5. First multiply one time. 0, 0, 0, 12 zeros set. Next already 9 zeros there, multiplied by 10 we get 10 zeros. Okay, next minus, here also 6 zeros plus 1, 7 zeros. And plus 5,000, sorry, minus 1. Here put minus 1. The last term is plus, after minus will come. Minus, minus. Now collect all the positive term. Here one positive, that is 1. 15 zeros first, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. First positive. Next positive is this one. That is 10 zeros. So right here 6, 9, 10. Okay. Next positive one is 5,000. These are all plus 1. Adding this minus, add the negative numbers. Negative is first one. 5 after how many zeros? 12 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12. Next negative is this. That is 7 zeros. Okay. The last one is 1. So I am taking minus outside commonly. So here we get plus only. Now adding these two and minus. Adding these two we get 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Minus. Next add these 3 we get 1, 0, 0, after 3 zeros, and 0, 1, 0, again 3 0, 5. Now subtracting these two we get the answer. So first write the positive number and then write the negative one. Subtracting we get the answer is this. This is our answer. Understood? Next listen, third sum. Listen your book, page number 77, 2.6. Third sum, find the fifth term in the expansion of x minus 2y whole power 13. X minus 2y whole power 13. Listen. Our given expansion is x minus 2y whole power 13. 13. First write the assumptions. Here x is x and a is minus 2y and n equal to 13. Next write the general term. General term formula is TR plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r into a power r. To find fifth term, listen, to find fifth term we substitute r is equal to 4. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, isn't it? So r equal to 4 போடணும். Suppose sixth term கேட்டாங்கன்னா we should substitute r is equal to 5. Like that. To find fifth term, put r is equal to 4. That is r is equal, T4 plus 1, which implies what? T5, isn't it? So T4 plus 1, here r is equal to 4. Substituting here we get 13c4 and x is x power n minus r 13 minus 4 and a power r, a is minus 2y power r is 4. Okay. Next 13c4, that is 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 and into x to the power 13 minus 4 becomes 9 and minus 1 minus power 4 is plus and 2 power 4 into y power 4. Okay, 4 3s are 12 and keep listen, this is equal to 13 into 11 into 10 by 2. This is 13 into 11 into 10 by 2 into x power 9 into 2 power 4 becomes 16 into 16 x power 9 into y power 4. Strike by 2 we get 8 here. So multiplying all we get 11440 x power 9 into y power 4. This is our fifth term of the given expansion x minus 2y whole power 13. And listen fourth one. Fourth one's first subdivision x plus 1 by x whole power 11 is given. Find the middle terms in the expansion. And listen one thing. If n is even, that means x plus a whole power n, அதில் n வந்து ஈவனாக இருக்கும்போது நமக்கு வந்து odd number of terms இருக்கும். Odd number of terms இருக்கும்போது there is only one middle term, that is t n by 2 plus 1. T n by 2 plus 1. Next, if n is odd, okay, n is odd means there are two middle terms. They are t n plus 1 by 2 and n plus 3 by 2. Using these two formulas here, listen, x plus 1 by x whole power 11. First write the assumption. Here x is x, a is 1 by x and n is 11. N is 11. So n is 11 means odd. N is odd means there are two middle terms. Okay. Here n is 11. So there are 12 terms in this expansion. Okay. 12 terms இருக்கும்போது we get two middle terms. Therefore they are the two middle terms are t n plus 1 by 2, that is 11 plus 1 by 2 and t 11 plus 3 by 2, that is 12 by 2 is 6 and t 7. These two are the middle terms. Consecutive தான் வரும், 6 na 7 வரும். t6 and t7 are the middle terms of this expansion. First write the general term. First write the general term formula. General term is tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x power n minus r into a power r. First we find t6 means we put r is equal to 5, isn't it? To find t6, put r is equal to 5. That is t6 means t5 plus 1 is equal to ncr. Here n is 11. Okay. 11 c, r is 5 and x is x power n minus r. 11 minus 5 into a is 1 by x to the power r is 5. 1 by x whole power 5. This is equal to 11 c5 x power 11 minus 5 is 6 and 1 by x power 5. Cancelling we get 11 c5 into x. This is our sixth term. And to find t7, put r is equal to what? 6. Substituting here t7 is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 11c6 x power 11 minus 6 into 1 by x power 6. So we write 11c6 as 11c5 by the property ncr equal to ncn minus r. ncn minus r. NCR equal to NCn minus R. Using this here, and x to the power 11 minus 6 is 5 and 1 by x power 6. Cancelling, we get 11C 5 by x. This is our 7th term. Therefore, the middle terms are Therefore, the middle terms are 11C5 into x and 11C5 by x. Understood? And listen, third subdivision in fourth sum. 2x square minus 3 by x cube whole power 10. First write the assumptions. Here x is 2x square and a is minus 3 by x cube and n is 10. 10 is even, isn't it? Even means there are 11 terms. So, we get only one middle term, that is Tn by 2 plus 1. Tn by 2 plus 1. So, n is 10 here, substituting we get T6. T6 is the middle term, that is 6th term. First write the general term. General term formula edit. Next, to find 6th term. To find 6th term, we put R is equal to what? 5. Substituting here we get T5 plus 1, R plus 1 is equal to NCR, N is 10, C5 and X is 2x square whole power 10 minus 5 and minus 3 by x cube whole power 5. Here R is 5. So 10C5 into 2 power 2x square whole power what? 5 and minus 3 by x cube whole power 5. This is equal to 10C5 and 2 power 5 into 10 power 2 into 5. 5 2s are 10. X power 10 into minus power 5 becomes minus and 3 power 5 by x power 5 3s are 15. So now put the minus in front of the term, minus 10C5 and x power 5. Okay, first write 2 power 5. 2 power 5 into 3 power 5 into x power 10 by x power 15. Cancelling, we get x power 5 in the denominator. So minus 10C5, 2 3s are, the powers are same. So multiplying these two, we get 6 power 5. By x power 5. Okay, minus 10C5, 6 power 5 by x power 5. This is our middle term. Understood? I hope you all understood today's class and revise all the example sums also. Do the homework, send by 5 p.m. Thank you, students.